This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Dow component Microsoft reports earnings after Tuesday's closing bell. Taking a look way back in the monthly view, you can see that the stock entered a rising channel at the start of the pandemic. This is right here in February 2020. And the top and bottom of this parallel channel formed by February and March followed this channel all the way up into November 2021, came back down, and has spent 4 months here breaking the channel. You can probably see this a little bit better on a weekly, but before I do, take a look down here at this monthly sell cycle, which is expanding right here. These two lines are expanding. That is bearish heading through the second quarter. But things aren't so bad this week. If you take a look over here at the weekly, we can see that the weekly stochastic has come right down to the oversold level, and this is a good place for a bounce. It's also, this shows the breakdown from the channel, coming back up, testing the channel, coming back down. But we do have support right down here around the 272 level. And as you can see, the stock is crisscrossing the weekly 50 bar moving average. Now that will equate on the daily to the 200-day moving average right here. You can see it much better right here. You can see how it's crisscrossing back and forth in this sort of boxy pattern. Now we've come down to support, which is a spot you could get a breakdown and gap down here into the 260s. That weekly oversold kind of suggests we're going to get another bounce, maybe come up and fill this gap, come up to and test the 300 level again. But there are no guarantees with 1, 2, 3, 4 lows right here. Accumulation stayed about flat. So it's a real mixed signals going into earnings. I would not want to be long the stock at the same time. I kind of doubt we're going to see a breakdown. I think we could get a bounce afterwards, and we may have a more improved market tone today if the market follows through on Monday's reversal.